Here's a GRE data analysis question. Let's take a look. The graph shows the percent changes in the annual city tax revenue for 5 cities from 1990 to 1995 and 1995 to 2000. If the annual tax revenue in City B was $800,000 in 1990, what was the annual tax revenue in City B in the year 2000? Okay, well, let's try to understand this graph here. For one thing, we're only concerned about City B, so we can ignore all these other cities for now. What does this graph show? Well, let's read the title. It's the percent changes in annual city tax revenue 1990 to 2000. And so we have 2 bars, right? This lighter gray bar is the percent change from 1990 to 1995, and this darker one is the percent change from 1995 to 2000. So let's look at this. City B started out with some amount of money, $800,000, right? According to this graph, from the year 1990 to the year 1995, this revenue decreased, because I'm going down here, by 15%, right? This is a percent change. So let's do a quick calculation. If I started out with $800,000 and I decreased my revenue by 15%, how much did I have? Well, you might calculate this in different ways. Some of you might take 15% and subtract it. I personally like to do this cool little trick, which is to multiply it by 0.85. If I take away 15%, I'm left with 85%. However you do it though, that comes out to $680,000. Okay, but we're not done because we want to know what the overall or what the revenue was in the year 2000, right? So by 1995, according to this calculation, the revenue was $680,000. What happened from the years 1995 to the year 2000? Well, we start at $680,000 because that's where we are in 1995. And now we increase by 15%, right? So I'm going to take 680,000 and increase that by 15%. Again, you might find 15%, add it back on, or the cool little trick we can use is to multiply it by 1.15. And what does that get us? $782,000. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.